Well, my starting point was the seal of the Tau Gamma Phi. The seal of the Tau Gamma Phi, when I put all those points together, it shows one thing. Now, it shows that it's two triangles, baliktaran. At the same time, even though the triangle itself, yes, I realized that if we make a handshake, it should be pointing upwards because it is the belief of the Triskelion is the belief of one God. So it should be executed upward. Ano kasi lahat ng handshake are all horizontal. Eh tayo vertical. Now aside from that now also, the uniqueness of a handshake can be, this is something the handshake can be done, no? Can be even tatlo kayo, apat kayo, lima kayo. Habang lumalaki, it can be tied up together, mag-handshake. Kailang lumalaki lang ang butas. Pero the same execution is the same. We have to be there, that handshake. Even where we go, tayo nag-handshake. Maybe our founding fathers, they will be remembered once we have an initiation kasi pinapapalo natin. Pero ako, I don't have to be remembered every time na may initiation or what. Because every day, anywhere we go, pag nagkakamayan ng Brad, si Brother Mike Polino. Yan yung share ko ngayon para sa mga global. If they want to have a handshake, wag na nilang gamitin handshake ko. Yung global, gamitin nila itong handshake nito. It's ganito. Meron na sila. Ganito. Now,